It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL350 BlueTEC. This SUV is a treat for all your senses, and a treat for your sense of adventure. You will feel at home surrounded by creature comforts, including heated seats, a sunroof, and climate control. Touch the paddle shifters and enjoy the smooth ride supplied by the AIRMATIC suspension and 4MATIC all-wheel drive. It provides a fulfilling driving experience, no matter the destination. Find out why this GL class has received such acclaim. Come in for a test drive today. Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL350 BlueTEC. Sure-footed, smooth, and unexpectedly sporty. This SUV's 4MATIC all-wheel drive and 4-wheel independent AIRMATIC suspension will provide confident driving in any road condition. Your comfort is guaranteed with heated front seats, climate control, and a power sunroof. There are no limitations with this amazing SUV. It's the very definition of rugged refinement. This lavish GL class is ready for a test drive. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,